Hi, this is Mike with Rolling Getaways. We want to thank you for renting our trailer. This is a quick instructional video on how to get you set up for the basics at your campsite. Other topics not discussed in this video will be gone over during your initial walkthrough. We want to be sure you enjoy your camping trip, so if you ever have a question or need us, we are just a phone call away. To unlatch the steps, you'll need to grab the black step bar out towards you to release the steps. Once the first step is down, you can grab the other step and unfold it until all three steps are extended. Next, you'll want to turn your propane on. On the front of the trailer, you'll see a white plastic propane housing. Unscrew the two top levers to open the door. Next, grab the left propane tank valve and turn it completely on. They are marked with arrows in the on and off position. Once the tank is on, close the lid and secure the lever screws. You'll want to make sure the RV is secure and stable. Place the yellow provided wheel chocks and place them firmly in front of the wheels. As soon as that is complete, use the wheel stabilizer chocks in between the tires. Place the stabilizer in between the tires and grab the black handle, making sure that it's lined up, and pull down firmly on the handle. Repeat this process on the other side of the RV. For extra stability of the RV, there are electric stabilizer jacks on the front of the RV and on the rear. To use them, go to the front exterior and look for the switch labeled Extend and Retract. Push and hold Extend until both jack pads touch the ground. Once they touch the ground, hold the Extend button a little more until pressure is on both pads. Repeat the same process on the rear stabilizer jacks. That switch is located on the rear of the trailer. Remember not to extend the jacks too much, as they are only meant to stabilize and not support the weight of the RV. Extending them too much could cause serious damage. To extend and retract the awning, look for the black switch labeled Awning on the control panel. To extend, press the switch down and hold until desired length is achieved. To retract, press the switch up and hold until awning is completely shut. Please be sure to close the awning at night and during windy conditions. To extend the slide room, go to the control panel and press the switch in the down position to open and press it in the up position to close. Before opening the slide, it's very important to make sure that you are clear of any objects on the outside that may get in the way of opening. Once the area is checked, press and hold the switch until you hear a clicking sound. That means the slide is completely extended. To close, be sure there isn't anything in the way on the interior to interfere with being able to fully close the slide. As with opening, you will know the slide is fully closed when you hear the clicking sound. Also be sure the slide is fully closed before travel. To turn the water heater on, go to the control panel and look for the blue switch labeled water heater. Turn the switch on and wait until you hear the water heater turn on. If the red light next to the switch starts flashing, turn the switch off and try again. Sometimes it takes a few moments for the propane to reach the ignition. To operate the heater, turn the switch to heat and set your desired temperature. To operate the AC, turn the switch to cool and make sure the auto switch is set to on and set your desired temperature. To operate the refrigerator and freezer while in tow or dry camping, turn the switch to gas. Wait until the light is on and not flashing. Once you get to your campsite and hook up power, switch to auto and the refrigerator will cool using electricity. Once your trip is over, be sure to switch it to off. To connect the sewer hose, go to the back bumper of the RV near the license plate. Remove the end cap and pull the hose completely out. Next, you'll need to locate the sewer connections. They're to the left of where you took out the hose. Remove the cap, put the fitting on, twist until it's nice and tight. Take the other end and install it in the campsite's dump port. Depending on your campsite, you may need to screw this end in or simply secure it in place. To empty your black water tank, go to the valve on the left as shown. Pull the valve out until empty, and then close the valve. To empty your gray water tank, pull the valve open completely. Once all the water is flown out, make sure you close the valve securely. To connect your water to the trailer, locate the city water valve connector, open the tab, and securely put the hose in place. Once your hose is in place, locate the other end to plug into your campsite's main water supply. If the campground you're staying at has cable hookups, locate the cable box under the water valves and secure your coax cable in on one end. The other end should have the campground's end. Plug that into there and you'll be all set. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to call or text me anytime. Enjoy your camping trip.